Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Ritika. Welcome to BeautiCo. So today is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I have played with makeup, like colorful makeup, after such a long time. So I did this green cut crease look. I had so much fun creating this look and I have used quite a lot of new products as well in this video. So if y'all want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. So I'm gonna prime first using the LA Girls primer spray. This hydrates and preps my skin for the base makeup that I'm gonna apply next. Because of this, the foundation is gonna look super duper flawless and hydrated. For foundation, I am using this L'Oreal's 24-hour Fresh Wear foundation. I have busted out this foundation after such a long time. This is one of my favorite foundations. It's a very natural looking, skin-like medium to full coverage foundation, and it lasts on my skin for almost 8 hours. So I'm just gonna dot this all over my face and blend it out with my Sigma 3D HD blender. And I am using a damp sponge. Make sure that you're using a damp sponge when you are applying your foundation or your concealer. For concealer, I am using this Milano's Conceal and Perfect concealer. This is in the shade Pure Beige and this is like a full coverage concealer, so a little bit goes a long way. A very good concealer, by the way. Not many people talk about it, but it's a beautiful concealer. It's very thin in consistency, but it is like full coverage, as you can see. Then to set my base, I am using this Cover FX setting powder. This one also is a purchase that I did long time back, but I don't usually use this pretty often because I feel like this powder is a little bit heavy. And right now also when I was using this, I felt like it is a little bit too heavy. It does give a little bit of coverage. I don't think I'm gonna use it again. Next, I just did my eyebrows off camera. If y'all want a tutorial on my eyebrow routine, let me know in the comment section below. Now let's move on to the fun part, the eyes. For eyeshadow, I am using this Xthuyle eyeshadow palette by Lottie London. I'm going to start off with this darker brown shade and I'm going to apply this directly in my crease, as you can see. And this eyeshadow is so pigmented. Oh my god, this eyeshadow palette is amazing, you guys. It's super duper pigmented, super blendable, and the colors in this palette are beautiful. You guys must have seen me talking about this in my previous video. That was the haul video. And I'm just creating a V, as you can see, and I'm very precise with this particular eyeshadow because that's gonna map out the shape of my eyeshadow. And then I'm also applying the shade under my eyes halfway. Then I'm using a lighter shade to blend the edges out of this particular eyeshadow. And I'm gonna take my time to blend this really well so that everything looks very soft and well blended. Next is the fun part. I'm using the lighter green shade and I'm gonna apply this lighter green in my inner corners. And do you see the pigmentation? I didn't even need to go in with a concealer to do this cut crease look. It's super duper pigmented. It does the job on its own. So I'm applying this right in the inner corners halfway, and then in the center of the eyelids I am gonna use this darker green shade. And as you can see, all these eyeshadows are super duper pigmented. Like, love this palette. And then I'm just going to blend out the edges using the same dark brown shade that we used first. so that it looks like a very smooth transition. There are no harsh lines, everything is like very well blended into each other. And then I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner using my NYX Epic Ink liner. This has quickly become my go-to liner because it's so easy to use, as you can see, and it's super duper black and very precise. And I like to extend my eyeliner towards the inner corner of my eyes to make my eyes look sharper. Then for mascara, I am using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara, one of my favorite mascaras of all time. Then I am gonna start by bronzing up my face using my Hoola bronzer. This is one of my favorite bronzers. It just sculpts my face so well and gives me the warmth. It is the perfect mixture of a contour as well as bronzer. As you can see, I've already hit pan on that. And I'm gonna bronze up my entire face, my forehead, my cheekbones, my nose. I'm gonna contour my nose as well with this. And I'm also going to contour my jawline. And then for blush, I am using this Kiko Milano's Tuscan Sunshine blush. I started using this and this was the first time I was trying this blush, and the color looked so pretty, but the way it translates on the skin is horrible. Like, it's so powdery, it's so chalky, it made me look super duper muddy. So skip this blush, you guys. I was very disappointed, and it was an expensive blush. So yeah, so I had to go in with my LA Gold's primer water to just melt all the powderiness. And then I went ahead with my OFRA's Rodeo Drive highlighter. I am not sure about this highlighter. Every time I use it, I'm like, I think it's a little too light for my skin tone, and it ends up looking a little bit chalky, but it's super duper pigmented and reflective. So I think skin tones which are on the lighter side than me would love this highlighter. On me, it just looks a little bit too chalky. And then for lips, I'm gonna first align my lips using this LA Girls Ultimate Lip Liner. I think this is in the shade Keep It Spicy, and I started using this and it ended up breaking, so it's super duper soft, but I absolutely love the color of this lip liner. It's very easy to use, but it's soft, so you have to be very light-handed with this one. And then for lipstick, I went ahead with this Estee Lauder's by Violette, I think liquid lip. And I did purchase this on my own, and I felt like the shade was a little too light, so I just applied it in the center of my lips and I blended this out with my lip liner to make it look more natural. This shade is a little too pale nude for me, so I had to like work with it, but the formula is pretty good. It's pretty thin, it's very comfortable. So yeah, that's about it for this makeup look. It was super quick, super easy. I hope you guys had fun watching me create this beautiful green cut crease kind of eye makeup look. Let me know if y'all would like to see such makeup looks in the future. I would be very happy to do it for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all would like to see next. I'm gonna go now, and I'll see y'all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye!